So if you guys are wondering what the plan for today is, I'm ripping this straight from Ludwig, by the way. No, not hiding it at all. Our plan for today is I'm going to be teaching my grandma how to play Valorant, dude. It's going to be an uphill battle, but I think it's going to go well. I'm pretty good at the game. I think it's going to go great. We'll grab grandma. We'll get her in here. We'll teach her the plays. The plan is simple, as they say in chat, as the boys are saying. It's going to be great, dude. I don't see a possible problem with this, okay? We just got to get our grandma on the line, okay? Hello?
Hello? Hey.
Wait, hold on. So I was trying to make this stream like more interesting for my chat. You're like kind of old, right?
What the fuck?
I'm
turning 25 this month.
Okay, perfect. I told them I'm teaching my grandma to play today. So, can you just like?
I'm so glad that this will be the greatest time of my life to be playing with my dear grandson.
Thanks. I think this is gonna be perfect. Okay. Did you want to play Spike Rush today, Grandma? Or
I don't know what that means, but yes, I suppose so. If that's really what you want.
Okay. Yeah. I'm all warmed up. I'm ready to go. We can load into the game. I know you love your Spike Rush. I think you're gonna really feel this game mode out. Do you have any friends that you want to bring in?
Dearie, all my friends have died years ago.
Oh shit! Oh no! I'm so sorry. I'm getting flustered now. I don't. Oh god. No. Okay. You can drop the grandma thing now.
Damn it!
What is happening?
I was doing so well though.
You're killing it, but I didn't know if I could make it through a full stream like that.
I wasn't gonna be able to do it either. I was gonna start losing it. I was gonna start losing the ability to do it.
Seriously, do you want to do Unrated or Spike Rush? I don't really care.
Yeah. I love Spike Rush.
Okay, I know you love Spike Rush. We can at least open up with a few of them, okay?
Yeah. I love it. It's so much easier.
Yeah, it do be a relaxing time. Honestly, the last time we were playing it, I was having a lot of fun with it.
I don't have to think as hard. I hope so. Wait, that one's named Hannah.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna say, like, if anybody in your chat or my chat is ever looking to like pick up an e-girl or something like that, I think Spike Rush is probably the place.
Stop.
I couldn't fucking get her, dude. Knifing in this game is so bad. What in the world? I'm like running at this bitch. Like,
I swear the knifing has gotten more difficult in this game than it used to be. Yeah, it used to be so much easier to just walk up and knife somebody.
Hannah,
it's really hard now.
I hit that bitch once. One time.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's really hard to knife people now.
Oh my god. It's okay, take your time. Take your time. Just knife her.
This is awful. Ooh, got one.
Okay.
What are you looking at?
He plays on low sense. He's a low sense gamer, you know, like.
I don't know if they have enough time.
What is going on?
The knifing is actually so much more difficult than it used to be.
Let's go!
Shit.
He gets it.
You think so?
That's a dub. That's a dub right there.
Dang!
Let's go!
It's so good. Just so much better.
We gotta pick. Got it?
Yo, I don't want to lose this, guys.
I
came to Spike Rush to win. I don't want my MMR going down.
Come on.
You're what?
MMR.
Oh. Cool.
I'm trying to rank up, boys.
Hannah she's not having any of my
not having
shit.
it, dude. She is not having it. She's like, oh, cool. Whoa, careful. Ooh.
Oh
Careful's
shit,
my
we're
middle
infiltrating
name.
2 different sites.
That's okay. It's the pincer strat.
Yeah.
What?
This is the easiest strat. Clone kill.
Oh no!
He's up there, right?
Are you good?
Screaming.
Enemy remaining.
Oh, you got him! Nice!
Oh my god.
I was just hiding on site.
I ran out of ammo, dude.
Sudden death.
You don't need ammo.
Oh my
it's a
God.
crutch. Nice them.
Oh, yo,
No, not
Phoenix.
today. What's up, homie?
My Hannah's better than yours.
Not true, dude. My Hannah owns a fucking house. What's your Hannah own?
Oh,
Not
shit.
shit.
Okay, never mind.
Come
Oh,
on.
shit.
It's my birthday this month. Please be nice to me.
Sorry, I'm really poor.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh.
I want to go to McDonald's, but I'm so poor. So like, I can't eat McDonald's.
She said I'm poor.
I didn't mean it. I'm sorry.
And I have like a $3 PC. Like.
Oh, you're good. Don't worry.
Not a
Like,
fake one.
dude, I just ruined this poor like 16-year-old girl's self-esteem
Get your
because I
ass
just called her a
moving.
broke bitch.
Oh,
Like,
did he just push us into sight? What is he doing?
Nothing.
Hannah, heal me. Please, I was lying. Hannah, please heal me. Oh, God,
I died for you. Wow. Wasn't even worth it.
I'm sorry, I'm poor.
I got really offended that you called her poor, dude.
I feel so bad. I just like she's probably like 16. I just ruined this poor 16-year-old girl's self-esteem.
You really hurt her feelings, dog. What the fuck?
They reminded me in chat about that time that I was like drinking with you the last time we played Spike Rush, and we played Spike Rush for 4 fucking hours.
Hell yeah.
I didn't like. Time flies when you play Spike Rush.
Yeah, that's how I play like every type of game. It's ARAM in League of Legends, it's Spike Rush in Valorant. Apex, I don't really have a choice. I just have to play normal.
Do you think that has to do with some insecurities that you have, like underlying?
Yeah, because I don't like being good at video games. I don't like trying in video games, and so I play the game modes that like aren't difficult and don't require you to like try hard.
Do you think potentially like you're afraid of being good?
No, trust me, I'll never be good.
That's what I'm saying though. Like, you don't
just
think that
wasting
you'll
my
ever be good,
potential.
so you're just like
I'd rather
you're
rather
like in
not
denial.
I'd rather just never know, you know.
No, I actually don't give a shit. I was just
I'd just rather never know.
I'm trying to get better at farming content, so you know, I was like, oh, let's be a
Let's
psychologist.
get really deep into this.
Let's call this bitch my grandma and then be a psychologist for her, like.
You can ask me any question and I'll answer honestly. Except I won't dox myself.
Unlucky.
Yo, Drew, do you have Amazon Prime?
Yeah, bro, I do.
Do you use your Prime sub?
My Prime sub?
Yeah.
It's in active right now, bro. It's
Is
up
it-
for 21st.
It's inactive? Oh shit. Okay.
I'm already subbed to someone, bro.
Oh,
Dang.
Unlucky.
is it Pokemon?
No.
Oh, it's Pokemon. It's
He's a
Pokemon.
sim, I knew it.
Oh, no.
He's a sim.
Imagine calling Pokemon your friend.
Oh, my
Like, you don't know. Like,
Pokemon, your friend.
I saved you. Don't worry. Give heal.
Experiment's complete.
Why do I always like freak out?
What?
I just can't.
I'm going C.
Wait, what?
I'm grabbing La Bomba.
You really said I'm going.
Yo, you
I'm going to see.
Yo, can I get a
go
heal?
for it, bro. Raise.
Can I get a heal, Sage?
Oh,
Sage, can you get a heal?
There's 2 of them.
Hey, can you
All
get a
to
heal,
no
bro?
why do you
balls.
treat me like this?
Oh yeah, buddy.
no.
Yeah, dog. Peek that shit. Oh yeah.
Right, where you going, homie?
And then I'm gonna
Go
do
ahead,
this
bro.
really quick.
Oh my god. You're a bomb.
I know.
Yeah, you don't think he knows that, bro?
Oh my god.
Nice.
doing this?
Nice.
Nice.
What is
What
happening?
what did he
Revive
say?
me,
What
Jet.
did he say?
One enemy remaining.
Revive me, Jets, please.
Last one's B, I
Here as
think.
well, bro.
What did he say?
Why have we like rotated so many times?
I'm going back C. I'm going back C. I'm going back C.
What? Stop rotating!
Oh,
Oh my
I'm going C. I'm
god!
going C. I'm going C. I'm going C.
Stop
You're not gonna
rotating!
make it. You're not gonna make it.
We've rotated 6 times.
No, we make it. We make it. We make it. We make it.
Fake,
Oh my
yeah,
God.
fake plan to go B, bro. Fake plan
Go
to
B.
go
Go
B.
B. Go B. Go B. I don't think I have time for that. I don't think I have time.
Oh, you do. 100%.
10 seconds left.
Rotate. Rotate. Rotate.
Oh,
shit.
Oh my
That was so
god.
close.
I almost had it.
shoot 2 bullets and go for the one-tap king.
You only need 1 bullet.
Oh my god, 3 bullets in your gun.
He knows I went garage.
You don't think he's on site?
He is. He is. You get ears, Drew?
Fuck you.
King!
King, I like your friends.
Last player standing.
Oh my god.
So basically,
Oh.
That's just crazy. You just stole my
He's
kill.
a sheriff. He's not good enough. We just
Just-
push
I
him.
headshot him. I had like
I don't know. He
250.
might be though. You don't
No,
know.
he's not.
He could
Nah,
be
he was
good.
literally 1 HP because I hit him so much.
He could be cracked with it.
Oh my god, I'm
See, Hannah?
cracked,
I
bro.
told you. I told you.
In my life, no cap.
He came from short.
Oh my god, he's in garage.
I was unprepared.
This kid. Hit 21, hit 21. So he's a one tap if you hit him in the head.
I hit the silver 120 on the bad.
Planet.
Wait, I hit him 60. Dude, this guy's literally one hit.
You should run.
One bullet, one bullet. Wait, you lose.
You.
No, wait, no, it's better for him, actually. He win. He's sticking it. Oh, never mind.
This is so dumb.
Fuck him up, bro. Fuck him up.
He had to
Yeah,
swap
you have
guns,
one
dude. You
bullet.
have one bullet. He had to swap guns.
Dude, why didn't you use your E to get out? This is why I can't with these newbie Reyna players.
Oh shit, dude.
No, he didn't. He peeked
Thank you,
that
bro.
second. Oh my god, he peeked.
Oh, that
You
sucks.
should have had the timing right. Have you ever played this game before?
Oh my
Hey, yo,
god.
shut up.
I'm sorry. Blaming him.
No. Did you just say?
Hey, yo,
shut
you're
up?
vulnerable, bro. What the?
He told me to
Can
shut
you heal me?
up.
Can you heal me?
What?
Can you heal me, please? Can you heal me,
Hey,
please?
heal, heal.
Can you heal me, please?
Heal,
Can you heal me, please? I'm literally. I need a heal, bro. Like, I'm literally minus 1 HP, bro.
I think.
Hey, one by one. Don't all go for him. One by one. Let him gladiator. Dang, what the?
Wow.
Alright, good fight, Jet.
He did have a sense of honor. I wouldn't have knifed him. I never take knife fights. I'm dishonorable.
You never take knife fights? Why?
Oh, I just shoot him.
They're so fun.
Yeah, I know, but it's even more fun when like they think you're gonna knife fight them and then you shoot them.
That's so fucked up.
That was weird. I put in my title that I'm playing with my grandma, and people are like, "Is that your girlfriend?" I'm like, no, it's my grandma.
Yes, I nickname my girlfriend Grandma. It's like a really cute thing that we have going
That's
on.
our cute nickname that we got.
Yeah, very adorable. My hair is getting on my nerves. I should just shave my head, right?
I guess you could. I don't know if that's the move, you know, but that's the cool
I
kids
gotta
are
wait
saying.
for it. Gotta wait for it to get longer so that I can donate it. That's the move.
Do you donate your hair?
Mhm.
That's
I've
good.
done it a couple of times now.
I don't. Am I supposed to? As like a good guy?
No, you don't have to. It's mostly like if a guy donates his hair, it has to be. I think you have to donate like 5 or 6 inches.
I'm like definitely 4 inches max.
Oh yeah, I'm like 14. Easily
What?
soft.
Okay, I'm gonna flash
Hey,
for
can
you.
you guys
Okay.
close the door right away, please?
Nah.
Please.
I can use all the
Pretty
ammo on.
You ready? Peek it.
Thank you. Oh, there is someone there. It's Archer. It's Archer Man. Ow! Oh, he knows, scared.
I bought a classic just for this.
She's just better, bro.
What the fuck? This guy's insane. What?
I think I'm just playing too careful. I think I just need to run at them. I think that's always the
Honestly, that's honestly the answer most of the time.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
just a
that's the
confidence
answer.
thing, you know. You gotta go in knowing you're gonna kill them.
move. Yeah. I have no fear. I'm peeking this immediately.
Yeah, I got you. I'll flash
When?
you.
You're gonna flash me!
No.
Go, flash it now. I got flashed.
Okay, wait. What cipher peak is top mid? Go peek it.
Oh, it's here.
King.
Get the ace.
Fuck
Get
him
the
up.
ace. Let him ace. Let him ace.
Let me, bro.
No,
Get him,
let
bro.
him ace.
Get him, bro.
Someone's lit 100.
Oh, okay. Then resin.
One could be in our spawn. Careful.
Literally
Spike
holding
planted.
flank, myself, no, it's Arcano.
Yo, sick flash.
That's me.
That's the guy who was holding.
Can't you throw it?
One enemy
Wait, he
remaining.
doesn't have his knife out? Oh, you debated.
Oh, I've been
Go
seen.
push on site.
Oh my.
Oh god, that was really bad.
One enemy remaining.
He knifed me from behind.
He got knifed.
Let's go.
Okay, do it again.
No, 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 I
Easy 1v3.
cannot.
Do it.
Cypher's
Well, we
close to
lose.
you.
This is the last round, by the way, so no pressure.
And that's all I want to do is lose.
Just keep your dignity.
All I do is lose, lose, lose. Nice.
Easy.
You go defuse a bomb, bro.
I want it to die.
Attackers
Okay.
Nice, dude. That's a 4K
Easy
right
4K.
there. Look at that. You're the best.
Easy 4K.
Grandma's clutching. Yeah, she is. Well, thanks for playing, Grandma. I appreciate you
Yeah,
helping me
it
with me.
was a great time. We play games again sometime.
Hell
Either
yeah, dude.
Apex or Valorant. I had a good time.
I just opened a frickin' Patreon, guys. I said I was gonna do it for a while, and I didn't do it, but I just started it. If you open up the Patreons, and you go to the page, what this is for, the reason I did this, is because on Patreon, Twitch doesn't take 50% of the sub revenue. It's gonna be the same price for anyone who wants to sub. You could do either. Don't worry. I appreciate all the support. You want to still Twitch sub? You get the emotes? Freaking go for it, dude. Then you get the emotes in chat. We have dope emotes. You want to go to the Patreon and sub? We're going to be offering things for the Patreon people as well. I'm going to set up weekly viewer call-ins. You can ask me anything. You can ask me anything. This will be for patrons. And then also, I'm going to try to post like content and like vlog type stuff to Patreon. So like if I'm just discussing any sort of my thoughts with the channel or like videos and stuff, I'm going to post that to the Patreon as well. We might, well, it depends on how many people we get. Maybe we'll start doing the viewer games through those again. And then also at 50 patrons, we're going to be running a community tournament. So if we hit 50 patrons, I'll be running a community tournament. I'll put a prize pool up for it. It'll be cool. So if you guys wanted to do that, I'm not going to force you to do that. You could still sub on Twitch. I appreciate it. Just full disclosure for like people who are subbing on Twitch. I just want people to know like the reason I'm doing the Patreon is because on Twitch you get 50%, on Patreon I get 90%. So I'm just like, as far as full-time content creation, it's a little bit of a shell out, like obviously, like, but I'm gonna be providing value for it. That's my goal. For the record, I'm doing this. I'm putting it as an option. You don't need to do it. Don't do it if you feel like stressed out or you don't want to. This is just like people have asked to support me before. They're like, hey, like you should, like, oh, Twitch takes 50%. That's dumb. This is an option for people, right? I just appreciate people being here. Like if you're watching the YouTube videos and you're hanging out in chat, that's the most thing I could ever ask of anybody, dude. That's freaking awesome. Like you don't need to do that. Time, I always say, is the most valuable thing. People have heard this on the stream if they've been here a long time. Dude, you could do anything else with your time and you choose to be here. That's freaking awesome. I appreciate that. Don't ever feel like you need to do more than that.